and thereafter invite His Excellency the President to give us a keynote address. Don't feed anybody with contaminated mushrooms, and don't crack anybody's skull.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellency, the First Lady, Mama Richu Ruto, our keynote speaker, Lord Hastings, members of Parliament, the speakers of the National Assembly, good morning. God is good, and all the time. Nisalimiani kwa Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Your Excellency, we want to request the Speaker of the National Assembly, very respectively, not to incite our women who have insurances to get funny ideas. Because I don't know how appropriate that speech was all about. Luckily for me, mine is a pastor. I don't think she can be incited. Your Excellency, we are happy to be here. And for those probably who doubt my faith, because I don't have a baptism name, I was actually baptized. My name is Geoffrey. It's only